Hi, I'm Dole from JoyLod. I'll be demonstrating Fendi Model-FF0296S, color code KB70T. The color of the frame is black, and the lenses are a silver mirror. It has a shape of shield. On the end piece, you'll notice there are 3 pearls. On the temple, you'll see the Fendi logo in gold. It is made in Italy, and the serial number is right here. It has a size of 99 for the lens, 01 for the bridge, and 140 for the temple. It comes with a case which color and style may vary, an authenticity card, and a cleaning cloth. Thank you for watching and have a joyful day.